Cancer in the fire service has really begun to get understood in probably the last 8, 9, 10 years. And I don't think anybody really understood or appreciated the depth and how many members were being diagnosed. And it wasn't actually even until I was diagnosed myself back in 2008 that I even looked at any numbers or had any concept. Since that point in time, I mean, the numbers are truly starting to get staggering in my opinion. And we're just talking inside, but 65% of the members that died as a result of a line of duty death, according to the IFF, died from the word cancer in a 10-year window. So it's a big issue. I look at my own department, and 35% of our members have died of cancer. So the Firefighter Cancer Support Network was founded initially in 2006 by a firefighter out in LA County by the name of Mike DeBron. And the organization's purest mission is supporting another member who gets diagnosed with cancer. So that if I get a phone call from a member and they tell me that they just got diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, I can at least talk to them a little bit about cancer, but then we will try to connect them with a member that's actually had pancreatic cancer so they can kind of walk through, as I always say, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Because as we all know, there's nothing ever simple in the cancer issue. In addition to that, then, is not only the mentor aspect of it, but we send them a toolbox filled with information, a handbook that they can write journal on, and there's a lot of information inside of it that should assist them. In here in the state of Florida, I've worked very closely with the University of Miami and a number of other cancer facilities to gain immediate access for a member if they want a second opinion. So again, at least with the University of Miami, it's been within 72 hours. They're typically seen, evaluated, and sent on their way. If they want to go back, that's fine. If they want to stay there, that's fine also. I think that as far as the resources, we need to develop those farther and farther for those members. And it's basically about the issues of what can be provided versus, and who can we bring in, whether it be a mental health specialist or, I don't know, financial institution that may be able to sit down and say, here's how we can break down some of your costs and spread it out. It may be a cleaning service again. It may be working with American Cancer Society and them providing the transportation to and from the hospitals or the treatment centers or those type of things. And again, a lot of these is just working together with different organizations that have to get spun into a member's treatment and overall care. And then we have to, obviously, the other half to that is forgetting the member for that moment. What about the family and the spouse and the kids and how are they buying into this and accepting it and all the rest? And that's almost as big an issue probably as the individual member.